So this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change wallpaper in your iPhone 15 Pro Max in iOS 18 or any other version. So let's see, here we go. Go to setting option of your phone. Here we go. In setting option you have many options. You have to find this, very simple, very basic, wallpaper. Hit this one. Here you have many type of new wallpaper. I use add new wallpaper. They give me many options here, and is more option than before ever now. Before we had limited option, so you can do many choices as you want. The classical one you have, many color version you have as well, so variety you have. Not only that, you can use live photo as wallpaper as well. After that, emojis, you can put any emojis in wallpaper. You see, they don't look that great, but if you want to do that, so you can do as well. Cancel here. After that, a different color you can use as a wallpaper. Before it was limited, so purple, look the effect, beautiful they look. Weather you can put as a wallpaper according to the day. Now is night, you can see stars or other stuff. So this is the way you can do many things. Different color, you see iOS 18 wallpaper. I put this color, it adds. Here we go, hit set wallpaper pair, is done. So beautiful iOS 18 wallpaper for iPhone 15 Pro Max, and you can do any other version iPhone as well. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.